Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I am collecting many colorful of toys. See, this place are very nice and beautiful, and I have a bucket. This is my collecting bucket, and I am collecting many colorful toys from this place. So let's go, wasting any more time. So finding toys. Okay, finding toys. Wow guys, first one is here. Wow, this is a RAV3 car. See this guys, this is black and red color combination, and RAV is a special force of Bangladesh. So I am collecting this one at my bucket. Okay, first one is very nice toys. Okay, so finding more. Wow guys, finding one more toys. Oh my goodness, see these guys, this is a power Beko, and it's very nice and beautiful. This is a yellow and black color combination, and see this wheel are very big size. So I am collecting this power Beko, of course, at my bucket. Okay, I'm collecting this one. Okay, and finding more toys. Wow, see these guys. Wow, oh my goodness, this is one more Beko. See this guys, this is a one more Beko. This is yellow color also, and black color combination. So I am collecting, of course, this one. This is super Beko, super power Beko. I'm collecting this one at my side. Okay, finding more toys. Wow guys, wow. Oh my god, this is a yellow color racing car. See this guys, this model car is my favorite car model, and it's very nice and beautiful color combination, and this model is very nice model. So this racing car is very nice, and I think you also like this car. So I am collecting this one at my side. Okay, I'm collecting this one and finding more toys. Wow guys, what is this guys? This is a red color. Oh my god, this is a trailer truck on Beko. This is very nice color combination and different. This is red color trailer truck on Beko, and it's very nice. And this is a 6-wheelers actually. It's black and red color combination also. So I am collecting this one also in my bucket. Okay, so I am collecting this one. Okay, and finding more toys. Wow guys, see this is a also Beko. See this. Wow, this is a red color, also red color Beko on camera, but it's look like really very nice and beautiful. So I am collecting this orange or red something actually. I'm collecting this one, and this side or here, this is wheel color is a gray color with black combination. So I'm collecting this one also at my bucket. Okay, so today I'm collecting many colorful of toys, and I'm ending my video for today, and see you soon with many colorful toys. Thank you so much.